All right, so we're here at 120 Willow Drive for Mr. Larry Lacorn. We're going to do a repairability test. We're going to attempt to repair this shingle here. As you can see, it's creased. It's not even adhered anymore. It's been flapping. This one, and this one are all on the same shingle, so we're going to go ahead and unadhere the above shingles in order to get the nails out. Some of these are already loose, but I'm going to be as gentle as possible to not damage the shingle, but just unadhere the adhesive underneath. And once I get most of them all up, I don't think I need that one, but I can start trying to get these nails up. First one. Alright, so we got these, now we gotta get the ones above it. As you can see, I'm trying to not angle the shingle too high when I'm getting these nails up. I believe one more set. And I think that should be it. Oh, we're missing these. Go. That is the damaged shingle. No bueno. Now we're going to put this new one in its place. Line it up. Best we can. Going to attempt to nail these back in without creasing the shingle past 90 degrees and without hitting the shingle with the hammer, because trying to get into that angle can be kind of tricky. So we'll see if none of it happens. did crease. It's creasing in the middle here, as I did not try to bring it up too high. There's a slightly creasing on the top on these two, but all in behold, I think repairing it is going to cause further damage to the non-damaged shingles above it on all of them, and there is a vast amount of damage on this house. I do not believe that a repair is something that needs to be done on this house. Thank you.